Good day, guys. Well, another boring video for you. I am essentially just showing you a little bit of footage that I had from a few days ago. It is basically just me taking my Lte Rambler out, which is up there. Can I see? There it is. Okay. So essentially, windy day flying, and I kind of just wanted to really get a sense of what it was all about. Now, part of what I did is I also was kind of testing my FEIUTech launch ramp, which I'll very shortly be doing a full walkthrough review of. It performed faultlessly. Everything just worked. I did multiple launches, lots of flying. All things considered, I am thrilled with that plane. It just works beautifully. You know, all things considered, I've got a kilogram of battery on board and it handles it well. Now, in terms of battery, to give you a sense, I am flying this with a 15,000 milliamp lithium ion pack. Now, after 35 minutes, I landed and I had used up about 4,000 milliamps. I reckon all up I could probably achieve an hour and a half or so of flying, you know, maybe stretch it to 2. So there's some potential for some real long range flying here with a model that is just utterly rock solid. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the footage. I've got all sorts of little snippets to show you. I think it was absolutely great. Let me know what you think. Cheers, guys.